to Nick Tech Tips, and today I will be showing you how to create a system image. So let's get started. So first you'll go down to the search bar and type in backup, and you'll press backup settings here. From here we'll go over to here and press go to backup and restore Windows 7 and press create a system image. From here you would select where you want to save the system image, so you would click here and you would click on the drive you wanted. So I want it on this one, which is my portable drive, and then I'll press next, and then I'll select what drives I would like. So there's 3 already selected, and then these other ones are my other drives I have in my computer, which I don't need to make a system image of. When you're happy with that, press next, and then you press OK here, and then you press start backup. And now this will go on. And what a system image does is it copies all the settings and files and programs from your C drive or where you installed your programs, and then you can use that to restore back to, so you have all your settings and programs all the same. Okay, so this will just complete eventually, and then when it's done it will say it's done. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click the thumbs up button and consider subscribing. Thank you.